I like it when you lose.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel and a happy new year to everyone out there watching this video, and everyone also subscribed to my channel. You guys are and have been so amazing and awesome. It is 2018. What better way to kickstart your new year than to look and feel glamorous? I mean, yeah. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this look, then definitely do keep on watching.
No,
I don't know if you guys can see this, but like I'm breaking out seriously. So yeah, bear with me. So yeah, I just went ahead to moisturize my face. Now I'm just going to prime my face with the ordinary primer. This just glides literally on your skin like butter. I'm also going ahead to just moisturize my lips. And so for my foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match in the shade Cappuccino, and I found that this is actually darker than my skin, so I'm going to be mixing it with the LA Pro Coverage in the shade, I think this is Warm Caramel. So just to know, you can use the orange concealer, it works as well, but I just don't like that orange look on my face, so I just use this. I'm just going to go ahead to just blend it in with my blender. So I'm going to go ahead with my foundation next and just dab that. I'm just going to blend that down my skin. Problem area. I'm going to just highlight my face with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So I'm also going to let that sit for a couple of minutes. I'm just going to let this area, this inner corner area, dry up a bit. So to set my face, I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and just set the areas that I have highlighted. That way, majority of the product is kind of like dried up. I went ahead to draw my eyebrows. I don't know what happened in the process, but we have to just manage it. I'm just going to set with my Sacha setting powder. So now for my eyes, I'm going to go ahead to just soften my lid with some browns like I usually do every time. So just to soften up the crease, to warm up the crease. I want an orange shade. I'm going to go in with this shade right here beneath where we just applied that, just beneath it. So guys, so I finally settled for the smoky eyes. Sorry it wasn't recording, I just realized that. So I'm just going in with this black shade right here from my BH Cosmetics, and frankly you can use any palette as long as it works for you. And I'm just patting in that shadow, trying to dust off the excess. I'm patting and I'm rubbing gently so that it stays. I'm just going to do that over again. Make sure that my cut is as precise as possible. And guys, can you see how smoky that is? This is a BH Cosmetics Day and Night palette. And I'm going to be using that same, no, I think I'm going to use a red shadow. I'm going to use this one right here. And I'm going to use a thinner brush to apply that because I don't want it getting everywhere. Okay. And as I'm applying that, I'm also kind of like blending it out so it doesn't look crazy. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to use this same brush that I used for my brown transition color and just try and blend out the area. Buff out the red. I'm just going to blend it out so that it just blurs out, basically. Okay. So this is it. Basically. This is, and I like how it turned out. Now can you compare this side to this side? As you guys can see, it is still very controlled. There's a difference between the shadow and my brow bone where I highlighted. So you want to make sure that it doesn't get to that part. So it just fades into the brows and doesn't cover the brow or overshadow the brow. So I'm just going to quickly bronze up my face just to add a little bit of warmth to it. So I'm going to be adding glitters, but I do not know which or what color to use. I'm going to be using a little bit of the red mixed with a little bit of the silver. So I'm just going to apply the glitter glue on my lids. Kind of look like a really pretty disco ball. Ooh. My eyes are looking like sweet candy right now. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix my eyelashes and I'll be back. So I went ahead to just fix my eyelashes and as well as do my eye, what's it called, eyeliner off camera. So I'm just going to highlight my face with my Makeup Revolution's Golden Sugar 2 palette and just ooh, I have some fallout from the glitter. Just going to dust that. Circular motion basically because I want it to be blended out evenly and not just like a straight line. Tip of my nose as well as my cupid's bow. Add more to my cupid's bow. Okay, that was a lot. Anyways, I'm just going to highlight just this area right here. Continue with it. A little bit. There. Just to reflect the light, and not really to highlight, just to reflect, basically. So yeah, just to reflect. So moving on, I'm just going to line my line with this kajal. I'm just going to smoke out my bottom lashes with that red. because I'm loving how my lids are looking. It's looking very fun, exciting, very celebratory. But I'm going to line my lips first of all. So now I don't know if to go with a nude lip or a red lip. I'm going to go with both and so use my MAC Velvet Teddy Nude and I feel like a pink. This is it. And as usual, I would pair it up with a gloss, but I can't find my clear gloss. So I'm just going to apply that on my lips. So when I had to just spray my face with my NYX Dewy Finish, and yeah, basically. That's it. Lips, basically. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty lipstick. So guys, this is what the red looks like. So definitely let me know down in the comment section which you guys prefer, or if you like both, you could definitely rock the neutral one during the day and rock this red one during the night. And with both looks, I think you guys would definitely kill it. Yeah, you definitely kill it. So yeah, this is it.